Hi doctor, it's me, Susan. Here I am. Long time no see. I'm doing great in my new place with my new best friend, Cassandra. But, I don't remember what I was gonna say. This is my apartment. It's pretty messy. Don't look at that. It's really fun here. Sometimes there's like weird noises in the old walls, so I get scared. But Cassandra's here, so I'm fine. I end up being okay because I'm brave. I just want to tell you that sometimes I get bored of making these videos, but I know that I'm supposed to. I have a new camera and I'm not very good at it, so I don't like know how to use it because I'm dumb. But Cassandra is so good at camera stuff. She's good at everything. So she's gonna help me, and she's gonna film random things so you know that we're doing good. You'll be getting videos from me soon. I don't know how to turn this off. Cassandra, can you help me for a minute? Oh, there it is.